Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Sandy, so welcome. I invite you to subscribe. Today I am just doing a quick video. I'm sharing what my bluegrass tier in my Patreon group, what they'll be receiving in their Happy Mail Junk Journal kit for this month of April. And so yeah, we'll just jump in real quick and I'll show you everything. So we'll start here with what's on top. So I have altered playing cards for each of the bluegrass tier. And this was, the theme for this month was mixed media. And so I kind of just went with that vibe and had a lot of fun making these different creations. I also include in my Happy Mail kits a mix of vintage or antique items as well as some new items. And one of the antique items is this bingo ball. It's a wooden bingo ball and they're just fun. I just felt like I needed to include it in this kit. And then I also made a charm spine dangle, and I'll lay this here. So these are really cool. These are vintage. Not really sure what they are, but they each have different numbers on them. We have a little Tim Holtz here, and a clock, and a leaf, and then just a fun little, almost like a coin, kind of coin, charm. And so this can be clipped on to this journal that I made, or it can be used for another journal, whatever my patron members want to do. But it does look darling on the cover of this little art journal that I made. So I really like how the charms turned out. So let me set that aside. And then this is kind of the main item that the bluegrass tier is getting. It's an art journal, and each one's a little bit different, but I included mixed media paper in these journals, and so they can either rip them out if they want to use them for other projects, or they can leave it in here. They can use it as an art journal or just a regular journal, whatever they want to do with it. And I think they just turned out so cute. I used some of that cicada paper and kind of tried to make this look a little bit leather look. And then I just had a bunch of different little mixed media pieces. Some are new, some are vintage, and some are from my personal stash. So I had a ton of fun using all these different paints and inks and materials and fabrics, and I really like how these turned out. And so I'm going to put this right over here. And then each person will get a newsletter. That's what this is. And then I think this is a really fun mixed media tag. So this paper is a digital from Shabby Dabby Doo Tina. And then I did these die cuts to decorate up. And I like how you have the pocket watch with the clock paper. And then on the back is some wallpaper that I have in my stash. And then I also made this embossed tag with the gears and inked it up. So I really like how these two tags turned out. And then there's a little 5-piece kind of kit that each one will get. So you get this cute little bag, get a little paper, postcard collage paper, and then these are some tickets, like clothing tickets. And then this is a strip. This is with the new Tim Holtz Vault dies. So I love that for mixed media. And then a wooden number that they can use. They can paint it or whatever they want to do. And then I made a wax seal with a key. So all those things are in here, plus a guest check. and I love these guest checks. And then each member will get some blueprint paper. This is vintage blueprint paper, which I absolutely love. I think that's great for mixed media projects, plus a napkin. And then I have a couple of wallpaper pieces. This one has texture on it, which I think is great for mixed media. And then this one has all these formulas and numbers and stuff, which I thought was great for mixed media. And then we have this really neat, it's a multi-carbon, but I think these are also fun for mixed media. This is vintage. And then a sheet of the cicada paper. So this is a full-size sheet of the cicada paper that the patrons can use in their projects. So I think there's a really fun mix of items that they can use to make additional mixed media tags, or whatever they want to, use them for. Some collaging in a journal, or all sorts of things. So I'm really enjoyed doing this mixed media. I haven't really done a ton of it, but I really loved it. And I really love doing these altered playing cards. I'm definitely addicted to that. And I love these dies, the Tim Holtz dies. So that is what my patrons will be receiving for the month of April. And I really hope they love them, because I love them. So, all right, well, that's all for now. I will see you all in the next video. And thanks so much for liking and sharing and commenting down below. I really appreciate all the new subscribers that have recently subscribed to my YouTube channel. I've seen a little bit of some growth there, and that means the world to me. Let me know what other videos you want me to do. I'm happy to make them. All right, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.